Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change app icon in Base44. So you come to the website and you scroll down, you'll see our recent apps. So we have this one right here. I'll click on it and I'll change the app icon, right? So once you have opened up the app, you can come here to dashboard, right? And then we can come here, click on settings, click on app settings, okay, right here from the left hand panel. And you'll see right here, it says app icon. So this is the one that it is currently set to. Click here on edit logo. You can either generate a logo, right, using the AI. You just enter a prompt where you would like the logo to look like, or you can upload a logo. So you can drag and drop. I will just go ahead to our file explorer. We'll bring in this one right here. So we'll use this, just drag and drop, right? Just like this. Drag and drop, and then it should pick up. If it doesn't, you can just go ahead and click there, right? As you can see, it has picked up. We'll save it. And then as you can see, it has been changed. Success, logo, uploaded successfully. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button. Subscribe to App Mentor.